Alright everybody, welcome back. We're out here in Dania, Florida, Frost Park, Dania Beach Vintage Motorcycle Show. A little overcast this morning, but no chance of rain on the forecast, so I think it's just going to be a little bit of a cloudy, cool day. Bikes are starting to fill in. We got here real early to set up, obviously, so once all the bikes fill in, we'll cruise around a little bit and check out everything. We'll show you guys whatever we see that might be really cool we think you'll be interested in. And that'll do it. I'm gonna flip around here, show you what we got out here, and alright guys, just a quick interruption in the video here. I want to tell you about how to enter to win. As I said in a couple previous videos, we're going to pop this information in the middle of all of our videos here and there, just to let people know how to enter. And It'll get people to watch the videos, as you got to watch and find where the information is. So it's going to be real simple. You don't have to buy anything, doesn't cost you anything. You just need to send an email. I'm going to try to get the email on the screen here. I'm not a super tech whiz, so we'll see how that goes. But the email address is pretty straightforward. It's gaddysgaragegiveaway@gmail.com. So all you have to do, send one email. In the email, subject line, giveaway, and in the body of the email, your name, address, telephone number. That's it. You don't actually even need to give your whole address if you don't want. Just let's scratch the address. Let's give your name, your city and state, and a contact phone number. We're not going to sell the phone numbers. No one will ever have them but me, so don't worry about that. You're not going to get sales calls. I hate sales calls as much as everybody else. But we do need a way to get a hold of you if you win. So, again, name, city and state, telephone number. You do need to be a subscriber to the channel to win also. So if you're seeing this and you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and then send the information on over. So we look forward to everybody entering, and we're really excited to give away this bike. Now back to the video. All right, guys, that's a wrap from here in Dania Beach. Pretty good day. Met lots of cool people. If we met you and you're watching this now, it was great to meet you guys. Leave us some comments. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And if you got to see the giveaway bike, please let us know what you thought about it. So we're gonna load up and get out of here. We hope to see you again next time at Gaddy's Garage.